What's up, everybody? It's your girl Virgo Queen T, and I am back with another video, y'all. Yes, I am back. I am back. So today I have something special for you guys that I whipped up. It's just a what do you call this thing? Plastic spoon. Y'all, I'm tripping. So today we have some honey baked barbecue wings with actual honey in it. They were baked with actual honey. And then I have my rice volcano, some fresh black beans. Yes, y'all. So again, that's fresh rice with some fresh black beans. And I have these amazing honey barbecue wings that I made with actual honey. So good, so delicious. Look at that. So I already said my grace off camera, y'all. I'm starving. We're gonna take a quick thumbnail. Let's see. All right, y'all. Disclaimer, y'all. If I seem a little down or I seem like not myself in this video, I am so tired, y'all. My body is really trying to catch up with itself from the last few days. So y'all bear with me. So we're gonna start getting it in. Yes, y'all. Oh, it looks so delicious. My mouth is like watering up for the bite. Oh my God, look at those black beans. Goodness gracious. So I tore my little volcano down. I'm gonna give y'all a good bite as soon as cause y'all know that y'all be wanting some. Get you some. Whoa. So how's everybody doing today? Whoa. This tastes like some good Spanish rice, y'all. I'm telling you. This thing is so good. Lord have mercy. I just got me some water, y'all. I got me a headache. I'm just drinking some water. You know, not too much. Yeah, I hope everybody's day was good. I was off. Kind of lounged around because, like I said, I wasn't really feeling myself. Have you ever been just so tired that you just don't feel like yourself and everything aggravates you and you're just tired and you overwhelmed? And y'all, my body is really trying to catch up. Wait a minute before we get back into the conversation. Look at that. Yum. It has actual honey in it. Look at that. Look at that. Take a bite. Take a bite. Yum. Barbecue wings. Oh my goodness. Why do I do this to myself, y'all? The flavoring on this wing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, the flavor on it. I'm sorry, y'all. The flavor on these wings. You got the sweet honey barbecue. So it has the sweet honey, sweet baby raised honey barbecue sauce. And then it has actual honey that I baked into it before I put the barbecue sauce with the seasonings. So I baked the seasonings and the honey. I did a good mixture. And I baked it all for about an hour. Then I baked, put the barbecue sauce and let it bake for like another 15 minutes. Yeah. this ain't right. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Again, y'all, this is something I like to do my way. I enjoy. I'm probably real personal with y'all today, but I enjoy cooking. Sometimes I cook so well that when I taste it, I'm like, girl, you gotta make that again. So I love to cook. And it saves you money, you know? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I didn't get a chance to make the recipe, y'all, today because I was so tired that I pretty much just kind of laid around today, took a nap. I had to get the kids off the bus and stuff, so I had to make dinner because I make them go to bed a little early. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You see it shining from the honey? Wow. So, yeah. I'm about to cry, y'all. So good. But the next time I make them, I will definitely show y'all how I do that. And it's still hot, y'all. This food is still hot. It's not cold. Here you go. Y'all know I drop stuff all the time. It's like my mouth got a hole in it. I don't understand. Y'all, them black beans are so tender. They season just right. I like my black beans to kind of be like Spanish style beans. All I can say is, this is so good. Quick, easy meal. Not. That water cold, y'all. It's fresh. Oh, so good. But yeah, y'all. Do you ever just feel tired and don't feel like yourself? You just feel like your body not catching up? Because, man, I'm like, I was tired last night, but today I am super tired. And disclaimer, this was recorded Monday, so y'all will see this on Tuesday. So last night when I was on the live with a bunch of you beautiful people, y'all, I kept saying I was so exhausted. But it was so fun. No, I had to literally just try to catch my body up. So I took another nap today, which I usually don't take naps. I'm always on the go. I'm always clean. I'm always doing something. And I think it's starting to catch up with me. Now that I have added YouTube to that, I am drained. Ain't nothing like fresh water. Especially when it's freezing cold. Girl, ain't nothing like it. And the rice I use, y'all, I've showed y'all the rice I use. I use Rico parboiled rice. It don't stick together. It's not mushy. I mean, I'll tell you, I season the heck out of these black beans. Y'all just don't understand. And I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm pigging out because I'm a hungry The last thing I ate was maybe about 9 o'clock this morning, so I am hungry. I'm hungry, y'all. And as y'all can see, I make so many different varieties of wings. I am a wing girl. I can eat wings day in and day out. And I love to make them myself because I love to make the different varieties. Oh my God, my kids love it. Their mom like, Mama, every week you make a new style of wings. And I'm telling you, if I'm lying and flying, it probably tastes better than one of your closest restaurants. Chicken wings. I cook with love, and when you cook with love, your food represents that. And what I mean by that, I know how I want my food to taste. Excuse me. I know how I want my food to taste, and I want my kids to feel like, dang, you know, Mama really put her foot in this one. I wanted to be, you know, I wanted to feel like it was cooked with pure love. So, I take my time. And a lot of times I like to create the ingredients that I put on my food. I don't go to channels and watch what they put. I kind of try to do my own thing. Some of them might be similar to something that somebody else is doing, but so y'all. If I could let y'all taste these barbecue wings through the screen, baby, you never want to leave. I know, like, y'all like, dang, Virgo, you don't play with the wings. I don't. Wings is my thing, baby. I got to clean it. It's so good. Sometimes I just wish I could kind of feed y'all through the phone, like, girl, you get a bite. And this stuff is good. I'm almost full, y'all. Woo! And the water is so cold and refreshing that it's just bringing everything down. Right, I almost cleaned this plate. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Look at this last wing. Y'all, I done got rice on the dang on wings. I'm sorry. But I gotta show y'all this. And yes, my hands have rice on them. But look at that. You know you want to bite. Y'all, I love this polish on my nails. That's that good stuff. That's that good Chanel polish with the Chanel gel coat. Oh my God. Y'all can barely talk. This food so good. And yes, I just wipe my hand with my mouth. Y'all know I'm sleepy. I said I just wiped my hand with my mouth. I just wiped my mouth with my hand. Yes, I did. I did. I don't know what I said. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Jesus. Woo. Now I'm trying to finish this little bit of rice. But I'm full. We know it be wrong because we be full and we still be trying to eat. But y'all done clean this plate. Yeah, that's it. I done cleaned that. I know y'all like, girl, if you don't scoop up the rest of that rice. I know. I know. Y'all, my son in Fortnite and Roblox about to hurt him. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, that's it. That was delicious. We'll make you some honey barbecue wings. Put you some authentic honey in that. When you season them, put some authentic honey. Let them cook for about an hour and get tender. And then put you some good honey barbecue sauce over it. Baby. It will change your life. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. To all my new subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can know when I'm dropping another video. I feel like such a Debbie Downer today. I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize in advance. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is all. I am full, and I will see you guys next video.